Hello everyone, today's video topic is photochemistry of alkenes. In alkenes, the cis form converts into trans and the trans form converts into cis after reacting with photon. Trans isomers are thermodynamically more stable. Trans isomer consists of longer wavelength, maximum and higher excitation coefficient. It will absorb more energy than cis isomer. Photochemical interconversion of cis-trans isomer of alkene can be achieved by two ways: cis-trans isomerization by direct irradiation and by the use of triplets photosensitizers. So first we'll study about irradiation, direct irradiation. Alkenes have a characteristic photochemical interconversion of cis and trans isomers. Isomerization occurs because of pi bond which prevents it lost in passage to excited state in which two sets substituents occupy mutually perpendicular plane. Cis-trans isomerization disappear on excitation. When excited molecules come back to ground state, cis or trans isomers is formed. Quantum yield for conversion of cis to trans and is equal to trans to cis. When they are in equal concentration, the conversion will occur faster. It's believed that isomerization of alkenes occur through an excited state in which two sp2 hybrid carbons are twisted at 90 degree with respect to each one another. This is called perpendicular state. This geometry is believed to be the minimum energy geometry for both singlet and triplet excited state. Now let's study about the second method, which is by the use of photosensitizer. Under this, the composition of photostationary depends on the triplet energy of photosensitizers or sensitizers. If its energy is more than 60 kilocalorie per mole, the cis-trans isomer ratio is more than 1. But if less, between 52 to 58, then the ratio is much higher. The higher the ratio in this is resulted from the fact that energy requirement for excitation of trans isomer is less than cis. Cis-trans isomerization can be carried in presence of halogen. In first step, the halogen dissociate in presence of photon, and in second step, the photon react with the compound. This is the X molecule and form cis and trans products. In case of photosensitizers, there are two types of reactions. There are two types of cyclization reactions: concerted cyclohydration reaction and non-concerted cyclohydration reaction. Cyclization of alkene carried by triplet sensitizers and done by cis-trans isomerization. Most of simple alkene have high triplet energy to be sensitized efficiently by organic sensitizers. Cyclization of cyclic alkene and 3,4,5 membered ring can be sensitized with high energy organic sensitizers such as acetone. Cyclization involves formation of excited triplet state that react with ground state alkene molecule. Here we take two cyclopropene molecule which after reacting with photon in presence of acetone, this bond here breaks. If you take this structure like this bonds break and यहाँ पे दो valencies create हो जाएंगी जो bonds बना लेंगी, which will look like this. Here it forms a trans form and a cis form. Like this, norborine in presence of photon, in presence of acetone and photon forms this structure. So here you can simply understand this. In this structure, take two structures like this. यहाँ वाला bond जो है वो break हो जाएगा and this will form a structure like this which is shown here. 1,6-diene also undergoes the same and form this structure. यहाँ पर ये bond break हो जाएगा और ये इस तरह से form कर लेगा and then after rearrangement and by joining these bonds this will form this structure. So I hope this video will be helpful for you.